Zinklewinkle here with your weather forecast. Yellow skies this evening, very unusual. Lightning, rain, the whole diddly widdly. Let's see. Tornado warnings in Rice County. Very unusual. I've never been in a tornado before. Anyway. Seems to be clearing up out that way. Raining hard. Thunder. Lightning. Yellow. I'm scared. Good thing I'm wearing a diaper today. Yeah, okay. I should go in before I get electrocuted. Bye.